All right, last problem here that didn't fit on the video. Poor little problem, all by itself. All right, so again, we have the area. Okay, so we're going to use our formula, and we're going to plug in 32 for our area is equal to 3.14 times the radius to the second power. So I'm going to divide each side by 3.14. Okay, so 32 divided by 3.14 gives me 10.19, and again, it keeps going. Okay, so this long decimal is equal to r squared. So to get rid of something that's squared, I have to take the square root of both sides. Okay, so again, leave that long decimal in your calculator, and you're going to go back and you're going to follow these directions over here. So you're going to do the second button, which is at the top upper left of your calculator, and then the square root button. This is for the standard TI-30 that most of you have. If you have a different calculator, it is going to be a little bit different. So some of you just have a square root button. You don't have to push second. Okay, so you might have to do a little, a couple different things if you don't have the standard recommended calculator. So you're going to do the second button at the top left, and then the square root button, which is above the x squared button. Okay, and then you're going to pull in that long decimal answer. Or if you don't want to do that, you can type in, 10.19, but I would type in a couple more places out here. So second answer, which is second, the top left, and then answer should be above the minus button here. Okay, and that gives me the radius is equal to 3.19 if I round it. Again, I'm going to keep the full decimal on my calculator so that when I go to figure out my diameter, I'm going to take this full decimal on my calculator and not just the 3.19, and then I'm going to multiply that by 2. Okay, so that's going to give me the most accurate diameter, which is 6.38 when I round it. All right. So again, some of you might have different calculators, so you're just going to have to be aware of where the square root button it is. Okay, so find the square root button, and then that answer button, if you see that ANS, that can pull in like a really long decimal answer. If you don't have that, you can't find it, you can just type in the decimal, but again, go more than 2 decimal places out so you can get the most accurate answer there. All right, so make sure, again, star anything that you guys have questions on, and we can talk about it in our live session.